student. So today we're going to learn our fourth chapter. The chapter name is Working with Keyboard and Mouse, and this is our part first. So in our previous chapter we learn more about the computer parts like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, speaker, microphone, printer, etc. So today we're going to learn some more about the keyboard and mouse. So let's start. So keyboard and mouse are the two main parts of computer system. So it is important to learn the working of these two. So let us learn more about this one by one. So the first is keyboard. Keyboard is used to enter the information and also it used to give instruction to the computer. And the keyboard has around the 104 button on it, which are known as the keys. So let us understand the function of these various keys on the keyboard. So the types of keys. So if you look at this keyboard, there are mainly three types of keys. First, alphabet key, number key, and the special keys. So the alphabet keys are A to Z, then the number keys 0 to 9 mean the special keys like caps lock key, enter key, spacebar key, shift key, delete key, etc. So let's see it. First, look at here, this is our standard keyboard. These are the number keys 1 up to 0. Then these are the functions key F1 up to F12. Then these are the special keys insert, home, delete, enter, shift key, control key, windows key, alter key. These are the special keys. Then this is our number keypad. These are our arrow keys. Then look at here the two windows keys available on the keyboard. Then look at here, these are the alphabet keys. A to Z means the total 26 alphabet keys present on the keyboard. So let's see it one by one. First, the alphabet key. There are the 26 alphabet key on the keyboard from A to Z, but this is not in alphabetical order. So look at here. And this alphabet key we use to type letters, poems, words, sentence, etc. on the keyboard. Next is the number key. So there are the two sets of number keys. First set is just above the alphabet key and while the other on the right side of the keypad. So this set is also known as a number keypad. And there are the 10 number key from 0 to 9. And this number key is used to type the number on the screen. So the next is the special keys. Okay, so there are the many special keys and each one of them has its own function. Okay, so the special keys are enter key, spacebar key, caps lock key, and the backspace key. Okay, so let's see it one by one. First, the spacebar key. Okay, so this is the longest key on the keyboard and this spacebar key which used to gives the blank space between the two words. Next is the caps lock key. Okay, so this type of key is used to typing a capital letter. Means when we press the key, a light turn on at the top right corner of keyboard. Means the caps lock key will be activated. Now whatever we type, it's appear in a capital letter. Next, the backspace key. So this backspace key is also like an eraser and which used to erase the letter to the left of the corner position. And this backspace key is used to correct our typing error also. Next is the delete key. So this type of key also erase a letter, but unlike the backspace key, erase towards the right side of the cursor position. Next is the arrow key. Okay, so these types of 4 in a number of keys are used to move the cursor toward left, right, up and down. Next is the enter key. So these are the two enter keys on the keyboard, and this enter key is used to bring the cursor in the next line and is also used to enter our command in the computer. Next is the shift key. So these are also two in number. Means first, it's by holding it down when we type the capital letters, means when the caps lock key is off. And second, we also use it to type a symbol printed on the number keys. So let's practically demonstrate it how to use the number keys, alphabet key and some special keys. Okay, so let's start. So the next is the special keys. Okay, so there are some special keys: enter key, spacebar key, caps lock key and backspace key. So first, enter key is used to pass on instruction to the CPU when we type some alphabets. Okay, for example A. So next we have to press the enter key, may come to the next line in this way. B, enter. C, enter. D, enter. In this way. Means if you want to jump to the next line, you use the enter key. Next, the spacebar key. So the spacebar key is used to give the space between the words. Means, for example, this is my full name, Ashwini. So I have to give the space between two words. Give the spacebar key, then write your father name. Then again give some spacebar key and write their surname in this way. Okay, so look at here, the spacebar is used to give the space between two words. Next is the backspace key. So this backspace key is used to erase the wrong letter. For example, I have to erase these numbers D, C, B and A in this way. Click the backspace key only. They can erase immediately in this way. Look at here. Okay, so if you want to erase this your surname, just click on the backspace key in this way. Look at here, at the time only one letter is erased. Next is the caps lock key. Okay, so this caps lock key is used to enter the capital letter. So look at here, this is here only the Suresh. First letter is capital and the other letters are small. So if you want to enter the whole name in the capital letter, so first you have to press the caps lock key, okay, and then write the name in this way. Okay, in this way you can write your whole name in the form of capital letter by using the caps lock key. Or if you want to enter only first letter capital and other are small letter, so what we do is the caps lock key, write the first letter, then again press the caps lock key, means they indicate that the caps lock key is turned off, and then write your remaining letters in this way. Okay, means if you want to type the capital letter, we use the caps lock key. So next is the delete key. So delete key is also used to erase the letter, but the difference is it erases towards the right side of cursor position in this way. Also, you can select the whole data and press the delete key. Whole data will be deleted. So the next is the arrow key. So this arrow key is used to move the cursor toward left, right, top and down in this way. So look at here, I type here some numbers. So I want to move the cursor in left side. Look at here in this way. Also you can move the cursor in right side. If you want to move the cursor in upward side, like in this way, downward. Okay. Next is the shift key. Okay, this shift key is used for two purposes. First, by holding the shift key, we can write the capital letter in this way. Okay, and next is you can also type the symbol printed on the number key. Press the shift key and click the number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, in this way. You have to just press the shift key and click the numbers. Immediately the symbol will be printed. Also, if you want to enter your name, only the first letter capital and other you have to write the small letter. You can also in this way press the shift key and click on that letter, then release the shift key and write the simply your name. Means by using the shift key you can write the whole capital letter also, you can write the symbol also. So thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear student.